much. You are with me, and today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 4 out. Yes, talking about Samsung Galaxy Note 4, we can say that Galaxy series has always been in the market for its structure, its different look, its some kind of, we can say, internal functionalities out there. मेरा कुछ कुछ नया लेकर आता है, कुछ कुछ different होता है. तो Note 4 में कैसे नहीं different होगा? So why would Note 4 not be different from other? So let us see what Note 4 has inbuilt in it and has stored in it for you. 2014 release model था Note 4. Yes, 2014 release model was Note 4, which had a Gorilla Glass protection and plastic framework, plastic body. So overall, if we talk about the design of this variant, we can say this was plastic framework along with plastic design back and glass front. That to Gorilla Glass 4. Gorilla Glass 4 की protection हो तो we can say that it is an amazing version. So if we look about the design, then we can see it could have been a heavy-weighted phone, but it is not very heavy-weighted. It weighs approximately 175 grams, so it could be considered as an okay version in the weightage form. One thing which remain constant in Note series is the micro SIM and the stylus. Yes, you will find the stylus, that is the S Pen out here. We can say in S Pen also. We usually call it S Pen, but it is stylus out here, so you can use that. Having a screen size of 5.7 inch, which has not changed in Note 3 also. Note 3 and Note 4 both have 5.7 inch screen with Super AMOLED captive touch screening. Super AMOLED captive touch screening plays a very amazing role in the gadget. The vibrations, the touch timing, the results out there is really amazing out there. But what is the most interesting and the most amazing part of this variant is that the resolution of this variant is 518 ppi density. Yes, 518 ppi density is the resolution out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you Android 4 base, which can be upgraded up to Android 6. Yes, Android 6, it can be easily upgraded up to Android 6. Talking about this variant, it has two different versions, one with Snapdragon processor and another with NS Core. So these two versions are available globally. As well as octa-core and quad-core processors are there. So you get to have two different variants out there with different system and processing and GPU. The internal processor is slightly different. Talking about this variant, it offers you 32 GB storage capacity along with 3 GB RAM. So we have seen in Note 3 that it offers you 16 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB. But Note 4 offers you only 32 GB with 3 GB RAM, which was earlier 2 GB RAM. So this could be set out. Offering you a good camera like 16 megapixel rear camera with LED flashlight with 16 megapixel rear camera. And you get to have a good selfie camera of 3.7 megapixel. Yes, 3.7 megapixel is the selfie camera out here. So we can see Note 3 had just 13 megapixel camera out here. So Note 3 was not very, we can say, expected out. But there's a huge difference in Note 4 and Note 3 out there. Yes, Note 3 and Note 4 has a great difference out there. And if we talk about the battery life, then there is a difference in the battery life also. We would say that Note 3 might have a less battery life, but offers you a great talk time. Note 4 offers you 20 hours talk time, while Note 3 offers you 21 hours talk time in 3G variant itself. And this offers you 3200 mAh battery, whereas earlier that was slightly less. So we can say that the offering is different out there. But yes, definitely offering a different battery life says that this variant has something to do with the battery and the internal processor. Everything varies out here. Offering you no connectivity with radio, but 3.5 jack, so you can have recording out here. So you will not be able to have the FM out here. So you will only have the recordings. You can also have the Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, infrared rotation out there, accelerometer, fingerprint, proximity, compass, voice, S-voice, everything is possible out here, which we might not have seen in Note 3, but they could be seen in Note 4 also. So talking about Note 4, we can say that this offers you a great pricing. So let us get ahead to see a site which offers you best pricing for this. This is the site I'm talking about. The site name is phoneZone.ae. This site offers you best hygiene for your favorite gadgets like Apple, Nokia, Samsung, any of these brands. As well as the search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. I have just written Note 4, so you have to select Samsung Galaxy Note 4, or if you want Redmi Note 4, I just needed Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So when we see that this is the result out here for Samsung Galaxy Note 4, you get to see there is a specified description out here giving all the specifications. You get to see all the specifications. And this has a condition written on the top that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how it's different from others. Talking about refurbished products or brand new products, we can say that refurbished products are quite same or quite similar as a brand new. As the word itself says that refurbished means creating something new like this. Refurbished means creating something new like, and that can be seen out here in this word itself, that furbished is new like and re means again. So something new like again we can say. Or we can also say that refurbished and brand new are very correlated out here. They are correlated. How they are correlated? They have the same structurality, functionalities, as well as they have the same criteria of tests. It clearly means मतलब जो brand new के लिए हम test include करते हैं वही test हम refurbished के लिए भी include करते हैं. Overall, we can say that this is one of the feature which is same as brand new and refurbished. Moving on, we can tell that refurbished and brand new crosses the same path but with slight difference. And the difference lies out as this is the major pathway out here, and this is how the difference lies. There is a base. We all have a base. Base can be anything out here, anything. It can be either your company user, anything, but base is originally the one which gives you a great amount of, you can say, structurality out there, or the base is something which helps you to know where that product has been originated out. Then comes the mediator, and the mediator is something which helps you to know about the place where it is being collaborated. मतलब base हो गया हमारा original place, अब उसके बाद कहाँ से हम उसे collect कर सकते हैं, from where we can collaborate with it or we can collect it. That is the mediator out here. And then comes the consumer. Consumers are like us or the company, anything who uses that gadget, that product out here. So that is the consumer out here. So talking about these three parameters, the brand new or the refurbished ones have a very slight difference. Base in brand new is the company, the original company out here which launches that product, that gadget in the market for the very first time. For the very first time it is being launched out there. And then the marketplace is the mediator. They launch into the market, then the marketplace has a lot of distributors out here. There are n number of distributors, n number of parameters out there. How it is going, there's n number of there's a big chain out here. So in short, we can say that marketplace is a mediator out here. Then comes the consumer, which are the users like us. We use that market product out here, that gadget from the company to the marketplace which has been launched. We use that. Whereas when we talk about refurbished, then this chain is slightly different. The difference lies out that the user in the brand new, the user of a brand new car, the consumer becomes the base out here. Yes, the user becomes the base out here, and that gadget is pre-owned, that has been used once, that has that could be considered not like brand new, but brand new like, that could be like brand new but not brand new. So then it is again sent back to the mediator. There can be another different this is a different marketplace now. This marketplace uses the pre-owned phones. These tests are done on a particular site out here, on a particular page, or we can say at a particular place all the tests are being done. जो टेस्ट ब्रांड न्यू के लिए अलग अलग जगह पे होते थे, the test which used to be done in number of sites, they are done at a particular site itself, or where the product has been given back or is exchanged out here. So that is the market. Now the tests have been done. Now it has been verified. It is ready to relaunch itself on that site with a new condition that was refurbished. So the new consumer is the new user who gets this gadget out there. जो gadget मिला है वो use करता है. This is what refurbished is all about. Now talking about refurbished, we can say that refurbished and brand new process the same parameters, like they have the same parameters which are in the external or internal factors. If we talk about the internal factors, there are like the operating system, processor out here, SIM recognition, data connectivity, data wiping, colorization out here. You can have your internal parts like CPU, GPU, NFS, infrared code, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, everything which has been inbuilt in it, all the inbuilt processes out there. Whereas the external parameters includes the parameters which we see through our eyes or can be easily checked out, like the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, battery life, battery charger out here, scratches, color out there of the gadget or the design, the display, everything out there. जो हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं, all the external factors. Now these external and internal factors combines to have 29 parameters overall, big 29 parameters. They might have some parameters out there, check each and everything. Now when they have been checked, these are the same factors which we use in the brand new and in the refurbished. They are absolutely same. For brand new, what all we check? Specifications like what is the screen size, how is the display, how is the color of it, camera kaisa hai, audio is good or not, whether the SIM is good or not, the SIM can be used out here or not, battery life, the battery is charging or not, camera quality, audio quality, connectivity is out here, everything is same what we check in brand. Now when we are done with this checking, this testing out there, then gadget is given a certificate that has a quality check, that is premium quality and is good to service out there, and then it is certified and named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Anything, both the names are same, they both stand for the same certification. Then we can say that these are absolutely ready to go further use and the consumer can now have this on the particular site they have tested out. Now moving on, what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new? Let us move ahead with that. Because there are few benefits which you get from refurbished products, like having your favorite gadget in a pocketable rate. Yes, why we say so pocketable rates? Generally, brand new products are quite expensive for most of the users and are not able to afford them. So the refurbished products, which are actually pre-owned ones, can be reused out here with the same condition which are being tested out, are absolutely newly like, but now they are in a pocketable rate. Now they are in pocketable rates. So these pocketable rates allow you to have a savings. Yes, you get to have a saving also, and when we have savings, we can say that saving is great amount of here. Like savings plays a very important and vital role. We already know that brand new products have a warranty period, warranty life of 1 year, but we offer you refurbished products with 6 months warranty. Yes. Refurbished products usually have 6 months warranty out here and you get to have that over here. As well as when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have 7 exchange policy. 7 exchange policy is also here, so you can get your favorite product with 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy, because if you do not find your product worth it and have not been checked, not verified out here, so you get to have exchange policy also. So let us go ahead and back to the site where we were talking about and see how is it different from other and whether it offers the same thing or not. So we are back on the site, and as we already know, the site name is Phone Zone. Phone Zone itself means it's a zone of phone or a place where abundance of phone can be seen out here. And talking about this variant, we can say that this is a category all mobile phone, which offers you n number of brands out here. As we were talking about refurbished products, so we can see that this offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So you can guarantee that refurbished products have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping written over here. So you get to have free shipping and COD. Free shipping is like 48 hours delivery time for most parts of UAE and Within Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, it might take up to a week, but most of the parts of UAE have 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website which has on the Google you can type coolzone.ae, or you can go on the description link and check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.